Hello lovelies, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make honey hibiscus deep conditioning, which will make your hair more manageable. It will be a ticket to softer, more manageable hair. So if you're new on my channel, you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe now. So you will need a beaker. We are going to use 2 beakers. So we'll have phase A, B, and C. Yes, to my 378 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. So we are going to use our hibiscus and sage tea. In fact, I did make this mist, so I'll link it in the description box below so that you can check it out. So sage will promote hair growth and will prevent hair loss, and it will also rejuvenate and strengthen the hair follicles. So the use of sage can also boost blood circulation in the scalp, increasing the supply of nutrients to hair follicles. Therefore, regular use of sage can help revitalize the hair, helping manage the problem of hair thinning. It also helps to unclog the hair follicles, discuss to darken hair, and it will also help strengthen your roots, help hair shining, and it will condition your hair, preventing dryness, frizz, and breakage. It also treats scalp problems such as itching and dandruff. So this is our water phase. So now we are moving on to our oil phase. We are going to use 7 grams of dihyquat. So dihyquat is a natural, it's a cationic surfactant and hair conditioning agent. It is a mixture of conditioning agent, fatty alcohol, and non-ionic emulsifier. It offers consistency giving properties. So this will help actually, for the product to be so weight and conditioning, and it will actually bring the products together so that there's no separation. And we're going to add in our oils. So 8 grams of our oil. So oil acts as a natural hair emollient, delivering softening and conditioning benefits to hair. They help lubricate the strands, smooth the hair cuticle, and assist with detangling and preventing the hair from feeling rough, brittle, or overly frizz. We are also going to use our honey. So honey is a humectant, which means it is absorbing the moisture. So it has a couple of key ingredients, or rather humectants. This bind to water and add moisture to the hair. So now these are our 2 phases. So we are going to heat them, and then we'll actually leave it on fire for 15 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes, as you can see. So we are going to add phase A into phase B, and then we are going to blend it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe now. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. So friends, like this hibiscus, or rather hibiscus, sage, honey deep conditioner is going to do wonders for your hair. It's going to detangle your hair, it will decrease frizz, it will boost shine, it will increase softness. So like if you have dry hair, deep conditioning may be a ticket to softer, more manageable hair. So deep conditioners contain a couple of key ingredients. Humectants, this bind to water and add moisture to hair, and they also contain emollients which soften the hair and reduce moisture loss by creating protective film around your strands. So at this point, we are just waiting for it to cool. It will be thicker as it cools, and then we are adding in our peppermint oil. So peppermint oil will actually boost hair growth. It will stimulate hair growth, hence promoting, lustrous hair. So we are going to blend, but of course, I'm making 100 batch, just a small batch, which will actually finish up quickly because I don't have a preservative. So we don't want any microbials and molds to start growing in our product. So it will work for just one application, friends. So if you've been long on this channel, I love, formulations. So on this channel, I do share classic lifestyle, healthy lifestyle. I'm so passionate about growing our crowns, which our God gave us. And sometimes we go an extra mile to formulate cosmetic products, like one of these video, like this one. So friends, if you've been long on this channel, I'm in a challenge of twist protective hairstyle. In fact, I started in January 2022, and we are actually in the 4th month. So next month in June, it will be our end. It will be 6th month of our hair challenge. Like I posted videos, posted actually a couple of videos on growing. Like I have a challenge with my medium natural hair, and we'll do this in 2022. So like I've shared, I promise that I'll be sharing different kinds of treatments, that we'll be doing in as much as we want, to grow our medium natural hair. So this is one of the video. So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair, and of course our hair has shrunken, as you can see. Yes, and we have some growth friends, as you can see. So our hair is actually growing, and actually, it has become thicker. Yes, it's just that in this clip, hair seems to be like it's thin, but in one of these videos, which I'll post in a couple of days to come, you'll notice something that indeed our hair has actually become quite thicker and voluminous. So how often can you deep condition your hair? So like in my case, I deep condition it depends with what I'm doing. So like, for instance, I'm in a challenge of twist. I keep my twist in for 1 month. But of course, in between washes, I moisturize my hair. I don't like forget about my hair or neglect my hair. So like if I'm in a protective hairstyle, if I'm doing a challenge for 1 month, living in the protective hairstyle, then it means I'll be deep conditioning once per month. But there are times when I deep condition, every 2 weeks, sometimes once per month, depending on your preference and what you are doing and what you want to achieve, and what you are looking for, or what you want your hair to be. Yes. So you don't have to apply the deep conditioner on your scalp, because if you do, it will clog the pores. So you have to be strategic on how you apply, so that you don't actually apply it on your scalp. So I love working in sections. So working in sections actually will help like every hair strand to be coated with whatever product you are using, so that you don't actually, miss other areas. So at this point, like I'm applying it on the roots. As you can see, I'm being strategic. Like I'm not applying it on the scalp, as you can see. Yes, that is how I do it. So once I'm done, I'll braid that section and move on to another section. So I'll continue doing the same throughout the hair strands. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe today. So like on this channel, I upload videos on, crash-like lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, flawless skin. And I'm so passionate about growing our crowns, our natural hair, which our God gave us. So we need to embrace it, love it, and style it. In whatever condition your hair is, it's still beautiful. You have to be proud of that. Yes. So like I've been on this challenge for 6 months. Actually, we are in the 5th month. Next month we'll reach 6 months of doing twists. So like I deep condition once per week. And in between washes, I do take care of my scalp and I moisturize. I've done quite a number of videos. You can check them in the description box below. I'll link them in the description box below so that you can check them out. You can kindly comment in the section below, what have you learned in this video? Is there anything that you have learned? What thing did you like most about in this video? Comment in the section below, friends. So like I'm one person who loves interacting. Yes. So deep conditioning your hair actually will prevent dryness. So deep conditioning actually may be a ticket to softer, more manageable hair. So what are deep conditioners? So deep conditioners like contain a couple of key ingredients like humectants. Like I mentioned earlier on, they bind to water and add moisture to hair. And emollients, they make your hair softer, and they will also, a deep conditioner will actually, help to detangle your hair. It will decrease frizz, it will boost shine, it will increase softness, and it will make your hair manageable, and that will prevent breakage actually. So if your hair is breaking, make sure that you deep condition your hair. And of course, I alternate between moisturizing deep conditioners and protein deep conditioners. So last month I did protein conditioner. Now I'm doing a moisturizing conditioner. So we are putting on a plastic cup, or rather a plastic bag, And then I'm going to sit under a heat bonnet hair dryer for 25 minutes. And once I'm done, I'm going to rinse and then proceed with my routine, like moisturizing and braiding my hair without heat, so that it can be stretched. I'll link other videos which I've done on how I straighten my hair without heat or damage. So friends, like I love deep conditioning with heat because it makes the products work well. So medium heat will actually help the product to penetrate deeper. So you can leave it, you can sit under a bonnet hair dryer for 25 to 30 minutes. Yes, so at this point, I'm meditating on the goodness of God. Yes, in the book of Genesis, you know, about the creation story. Like, you'll be fascinated the moment you read the creation story. You come to appreciate the goodness and the power of God that He has. Like, He just spoke and everything came into existence. Friend, like in 7 days, the Lord finished creating everything. So, like, this helps us actually to draw closer to God. So I'll proceed washing. Thank you so much for watching, friends. God bless you. See you in our next video.